This is Emilio Rodriguez, and this is my online presentation. My favorite hobbies are I love to play basketball, I love to go to the gym, I like learning about real estate and business and entrepreneurship, and I like to play chess. My accomplishments are I used to run an online business with my friend and made profit. We had to sadly stop doing it because school got in the way. I had played high school basketball, one of my biggest accomplishments, because I used to put a lot of time in and a lot of discipline went into it, and I became very good. I benched 225 plus, and I have built a nice physique over the years of training and lifting weights. What I hope to learn in this course, I hope to learn how to get better with my speaking and communication skills. I hope to investigate my interests, strengths, and personal values that align with my educational and career goals. Online learning. I'm not very tech savvy, but I'm going to try my best to complete assignments. I prefer in person, but sometimes you have to be disciplined and do the things you don't want to do. And that was it. Thank you.